Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you a wee fly called the Tourmakeady lady. The hook in the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. The thread I'm going to use is the uni thread 801 black. So I'm just going to come in a few mil behind the eye. If you're going to tie the wee pattern, just make sure you leave yourself plenty of room at the front here. Just going to work my thread back until I'm past the point of the hook. Now the tail is cock pheasant fibres, so take a good pinch. Now I'm using cock pheasant fibres that have been dyed a golden olive, but the original pattern calls for natural. So just catch those in, come in and clip away the waist. The rib is going to be a soft copper wire. You can also rib it with a glow bright floss number 12. Alright, just going to work the thread forward, tying in our rib and our tail. Then I can work my thread back down, tie it up against the tail. First part of the body, some hare's ear. So just take a pinch yes to get us started. I want the hare's ear around about 2/3 the body. The next third, want a wee drop of bright red. Seals fur, or in this case this is the bright red traditional Irish dubbing. Sweep everything back, bring your thread in front. We nick a wax, just come off my finger. Then the body hackle, a nice Grizzle cock hackle. So take this, and then we'll just take away some of the fibres. It's a tannin point. Just offer it up to the hook 4 or 5 turns. We'll secure that in. Now you can lightly palmer the fly, or you can put loads of hackle on. So I always like to get 2 turns at the shoulder of the pattern, and then 3 or 4 turns down the body. But this is a personal preference. It's the way you like to dress it and fish it. Keeping a hold of the tip. Follow this around with your copper wire for your rib. Sweep everything back that wants to go forward of the eye, nice and tight with the rib. It's just holding your whole fly together, the rib. Taking into that, bend and break away the wire. Now, just going to put a wee lick of wax onto the thread for the wing and break away the tip of the hackle. Just make sure all the wee fibres are back. And then we'll come in, the wing will sit high because of the body hackle. So I'm just using the Velcro just to bring that down a bit. But once the fly's fished, it'll be grand. The body hackle, you need a right and a left. and pheasant feathers. I'm not looking to go too broad because regardless, these wings look nice for a photograph. However, once you start fishing the pattern, they will break apart unless you varnish them or do something. So I've got my 2 slips. I just want the, just coming sort of way halfway into the tail. So just come in gently, just hold them onto the hook and with a pinching loop, and then a couple of soft turns just to see what way we're sitting. Just have a wee check. Right. Yeah, I'm happy enough for that for a fishing fly. So just hold the wing, and then we can tighten up. And then I'm going to come in and trim away the waist ends, but don't trim it away tight because you'll give yourself a step. Give yourself a half a chance here and tie in the wing. So then we've 2 hackles at the front, and the first one is a red game cock hackle. So just stroke back the fibres to reveal the tip. Right, see, it's a wee bit too long that, so we'll get another one. Just a wee tad too long. It's a bit better. After this, up to the hook, round with a couple of turns, come in and fold the tip of the hackle back, break that away. Just come in with the scissors, make a mess. Just use my fingers to fold the fibres back. Now, the turns of the red game are entirely up to yourself. 3 or 4 turns for me will be plenty on this wee fly. This is a good point fly, so if you're going to tie it, it's good to fish it on the point for the dropper. Good tied on a size 12. So I'm just going to work my thread down to the eye of the hook at this point, just being nice and tight with the thread turns, and I can break away the stem and I'll just work my thread back up. Right, just going to put another wee lick of wax on. Wee fibre there. Just see it on the camera. There it is there. Just take that away. Then the front hackle on the original pattern is just a grey partridge feather. However, I'm going to use, this is the English partridge that has been dyed a blue dun. Now you might get 2 turns of this. We'll see how we get on here once we tie it in. So a couple of turns, come in and fold back the tip again. Break away the tip. Now, just going to use my hackle pliers just so you can See what I'm at. Take a duke. What I'm doing, take a duke means having a look in Northern Irish terms. Now, that's going to do me there. It's going to follow you around with the thread. Nice and tight. A couple of turns in just to hold it. Because I want to fold back the stem. Looks like a mess at the minute. But we'll not be too long and getting it tidied up. So nice and tight. With your thread turns. And then I'm just going to trim the stem of the Irish partridge away. Now I'm happy with the size of the head. So I'm just going to come in and throw in a whip finish. I'm just trying to be very careful because I want just to be able to see the shape of the wing. However, like I say, that means nothing. Trim away the thread. Once the fly has been fished, that wing will just completely go out of shape. Now the first coat onto the head, I always usually drop a super glue. This is where I will use the super glue the most, and this is just to seal up the thread turns. So just be careful. You don't want to touch your hackle fibres. Just ruin all your hard work. So there you go, guys. That's the, let's bring out the fibres at the throat. That's the Tourmakeady. So I'll give the head a couple of coats of varnish once it dries. So size 10s I would fish on the point, and you know, size 12s a wee dropper, good for mayfly time. But it's really good, a good wee fly all season round. And like I say, you can tap with the Glow Bright Floss Rib number 12 if you wish. So as always, guys, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It is greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. The channel's completely free. I leave all the odds off my videos, and that's simply let you see the fly, and then you can get away to the vise if you wish to tie them. As always, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.